washing over the land tonight, bringing life to every river, turning darkness into light. I bless the rains of Africa, falling from the sky so free, like a pouring on the people, like love flowing endlessly. Clouds gather over the savannah plain, dusty roads waiting for the rain, seeds sleeping deep in the earth below, waiting for the waters to help them grow. Children laughing as the raindrops fall, nature answering creation's call. Every drop carries a brand new song, reminding us where we belong. Pick it up now. Rain on the mountain, rain on the field, rain on the dreams that the people still build. Rain on the farmer, rain on the tree, rain on the future for you and me. I bless the rains of Africa, washing over the land tonight, bringing life to every river, turning darkness into light. I bless the rains of Africa, falling from the sky so free, like a pouring on the people, like love flowing endlessly. Oh! Every drop is a blessing, every storm got a reason, every season teaches lesson, every ending starts a season. Rain don't care about color or creed, rain gives water to every seed. Rain brings life where the ground was dry, like faith descending from the sky. Drums keep beating, hearts keep believing, every new sunrise gives another meaning. From village roads to the city lights, rain reminds us everything's alright. Oh, hear the thunder roll. Oh, feel it in your soul. Every river starts with rain, healing hearts again. Life is growing, love is flowing. Give thanks today for the rain, sweet way. Dance now, gang to the left, skank to the right, rain bringing blessings through the night. Move with the rhythm, move with the breeze, nature singing harmony. I bless the rains of Africa, washing over the land tonight, bringing life to every river, turning darkness into light. I bless the rains of Africa, falling from the sky so free, like a pouring on the people, like love flowing endlessly. I bless the rains of Africa, for the harvest yet to come, for the dreams of